Como chingan these epoxy trays. I went from pocket shrines, which took a long time to make, to these epoxy trays that also take a long time to make. I tried a new champagne paste. It's a little brown though. Looks pretty in person, but it's a lot darker than I thought. I'm trying to find a very light beige. This one came out okay. I think I used too much of the dark green. And for these two trays that are solid epoxy, I'm sanding the drips off, which I'm probably just chasing this over and over because every time I put a layer, it's going to put drips on the bottom. So this is going to be the last layer. I don't care. I'm adding some gold veining right here with paint. And at first I didn't even like this tray, but now it's like my favorite. I love this. Look at how pretty that sparkly stuff is. And what I don't like, I can just erase with that rag and some acetone. But isn't she pretty? Getting kind of Giorgio O'Keeffe with my designs here. That's not intentional. And I don't know how I got this effect. I wish I had paid attention. This I know I mixed a bunch of glitter and stuff, but well, anyway, now it's time to do the top coat of just clear. I always do a pure clear coat to make it food safe and just to add an extra layer of sealing, which is probably why these projects are becoming a pain in my ass. So same here with this. I sanded the drips. Now I'm going to put a coat of epoxy on top of it. This I used the gold, and this tray I just did pure silver, and it's going to have silver handles. Okay, but now to drill the handle holes. This one came out pretty, right? Again, I hated it when I poured it. Got to put the handles on this one too, because we're going to use it for Lily's daughter's graduation party. I have to actually drill these holes, but see, that's how this is going to look. Look how pretty that is. Again, I totally forgot how I did that. I should just videotape myself so that I know what the hell I did. Like this, again, really pretty. No idea how I got that. I just kind of listen to podcasts and then I do my own thing. Think that I hate it and then go, oh, shit, well, it came out cool. How did I do that? Again, look how pretty. I love that glitter effect. And the pinks, I don't know which pinks I used. I have to figure it out because I have a pink desk to paint. Here's the silver one. I think it came out really pretty. And I even put little silver beaded footsies. And then today I vomited this thing, threw a bunch of stuff on there. I was actually trying to make this canvas, which I don't know if I like. It's not what I envisioned, but I need it for an art show. So I got to do a couple of canvases. This also has the glittery effect thing, but it didn't come out as good. I wanted to do the gold technique that I did on the other tray, but I forgot. And this time I actually tried gold and epoxy instead of what I usually do, which is spray paint and then draw it on. Here are the sides of that. You can kind of see the painting I did underneath. And I hope this looks pretty when it dries. It has a bunch of different colored turquoises. Looks like the Earth from space. Time to sit with Kalis.